Pumasok na po si Pangulong Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo dito sa Rizal Hall para sa pangunahan po itong selebrasyon ng 20th founding anniversary ng Metro Manila Council of Women Balikatan Movement. And we see the President talking to...
We are proud of the gains in gender equality in the Philippines. Ito ay isa sa pinakamahalagang tagumpay natin sa ilalim ng United Nations Millennium Development Goals. Nasabi ko na yata sa inyo noon, we're among the top 6 in the world and the top in Asia in terms of gender parity. We are number 1 in the world in terms of gender parity in literacy and in health. Sa katunayan, nahihigitan ng mga Pilipina ang mga lalaki sa larangan ng simple and functional literacy. We're also number 1 in gender equality in terms of enrollment in primary, secondary, and tertiary education. In fact, more females enroll in schools than males, and fewer females drop out. But as we face the most significant global economic and financial crisis in a generation in the world, women take a harder hit. A disproportionate number of women are single heads of households living in poverty and receive low-quality maternal care.
Babaihan. At sinabi niya that our economy is strong enough to withstand the external turmoil. Dinagdag niya that investors continue to come in despite the global economic crisis. And we have been working hand in hand on all fronts, or we've been